Good morning, students. Now, today we'll start with our next chapter in English grammar, that is chapter number 4, adjectives. Now, beta, what are adjectives? I hope you all have studied adjectives in your previous classes also. So, adjectives are describing words mainly, means the words which describes a noun. Fine, are called adjectives. Like, for example, we take black cat. Here we describe the cat as black. So black will be the adjective. In the same way, dirty shirt. Here dirty is an adjective. Like this, the words which describe a noun are called adjectives. And remember one thing, adjectives are usually put before a noun. See, all these words are nouns and before noun we have put these adjectives. Clear? Now come to exercise A. In exercise A, what you have to do is you have to circle the adjectives in the following. Means two paragraphs are given to you. This is, I think, a poem. In these two, you have to circle down the adjectives. Now, adjectives include numbers also, adjectives includes colors also, adjectives use describing words of quality also. There are certain demonstrative adjectives also. So, you have to circle all the adjectives in these two. Now come to the next topic, that is kinds of adjectives. Now beta, there are 7 kinds of adjectives. Fine. But in this class or in this chapter, we'll study only 4 kinds of adjectives because these 4 kinds of adjectives are only in your syllabus. So the first kind of adjectives are adjectives of quality. Second, adjectives of quantity. Then we have numeral adjectives. Then distributive adjectives. Then we have demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives and possessive adjectives. The remaining 3 you will study in your senior classes, but in this class you will study only the first 4 types of adjectives. So the first type of adjectives are adjectives of quality. Now beta, adjectives of quality tell us about the quality or kind of the person or thing we are talking about. Means they tell us about the quality or kind. Like I say, Mr. Yadav is a good teacher. Now, what will be the question for this? What type of teacher is Mr. Yadav? So, we'll say he is a good teacher. So, good is the adjective of quality. Then the elephant is a strong animal. Here, strong is the quality. Clear? So, all these are good, strong, beautiful, kind. These are adjectives of quality. You have to remember these adjectives of quality because they show the quality of the person or thing they refer to. Clear? Here the thing is their picture. So beautiful is the quality of the picture. Clear? Now come to exercise B. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives of quality. Now certain nouns are given to you and there are blanks. So in order to, you have to fill in these blanks with the adjectives of quality. Like we take a dash man. You can write down a strong man. Fine. Or you can write down a fat man also. You can write down other things also. But for your reference, I have given you these filled exercises. You can write down these in your books also. Now come to the next type of adjectives are adjectives of quantity. In the previous we did adjective of quality, means the adjectives which show the quality of a person or thing we are talking about. Here we will talk about quantity, means they denote how much of a thing is meant. Clear? Like he must not have much money. There was little water in the jug. Please lend me some sugar. So all these much, little and some, these are adjectives of quantity. Now come to the next type of adjectives, numeral adjectives. Now what are numeral adjectives? They show how many persons or things are meant or the order in which the persons or things stand. Like we are 7 brothers and sisters. Here 7 is numeral adjective. In the same way, they were the first guests to arrive. So first is also numeral adjectives. Some other numeral adjectives that you have to keep in mind are like some, few, all, most, many, any, single, third, no. Fine. All these are numeral adjectives. Now the fourth type of adjectives in your syllabus are distributive adjectives. What are distributive adjectives? Distributive adjectives denote each one of a number. Each one of a number, like each man has two boats. Fine. Or either book will do. Some other distributive adjectives are neither and every. Clear? So these are the four types of adjectives that are in your syllabus. Now come to exercise C. Exercise C is fill in the blanks with adjectives of quantity, numeral adjectives or distributive adjectives. Fine. Here we don't have to fill the adjectives of quality. We have to fill either quantitative adjectives or numeral adjectives or distributive adjectives. Clear? So take an example like how dash milk can you drink at a time? Now see, milk is an uncountable noun. So we use much before milk. Because with uncountable nouns, we use much as an adjective. Clear? Now take the first one. How dash films have you seen this week? So films are countable. So we use many with it. So how many films have you seen this week? Clear? So in this way, we can use the numeral adjectives. And some other, like he lives on the first floor. It is also a numeral adjective, first. Then we take one example of distributive adjective. Like dash leap year has 366 days. So we'll write down every. Every is a distributive adjective. Like this, you have to complete this exercise. Now come to the next topic. Next topic is adjectives used for comparison. Now beta, there are three comparative degrees of adjectives. First is the positive degree. Second is the superlative comparative degree. And the third one is the superlative degree. All these three degrees we use for comparison. Like take this example. Mayank is a rich man. Here we are using the positive degree because we are not comparing Mayank with anyone. We are just saying that Mayank is a rich man. Now take the second example. Abhijit is richer than Mayank. Here we are comparing Abhijit with Mayank. So we have used the second degree, means the comparative degree of adjective, that is richer. So it is the comparative degree. And take the third example. Dhruv is the richest man in the city. Means we are comparing Dhruv with all the other men in the city. So it is the superlative degree. And remember one thing, with superlative degree we use the article the before it. As you have read in your previous chapter also, na, articles, that we use article the before the superlative degrees of adjectives. So richest is the superlative degree and we use the before it. So these are the three degrees. Now there are certain ways of making comparative and superlative degrees. Means if positive degrees are given to us, how we can make comparative and superlative degrees with the help of positive degree. Now the first way is by adding er and est to the positive degree. Like for example, we have been given with bright. Bright is positive degree. If we add er in bright, it will become brighter. And brighter is the comparative degree of bright. And if we add est with bright, then it will become brightest. And brightest is the superlative degree of bright. In this way, we can make comparative and superlative degrees. Now, another way of making comparative and superlative degrees is with the adjectives that are ending with e. See, all these are ending with e. Now, what we do is we drop this e and we add er and est in order to make comparative and superlative degrees. Like this is brave. If we drop this e and we add er in order to make its comparative degree. So brave will become braver. And if we add est, then it will become bravest. Bravest is the superlative degree of brave. Like this we can do this. And another way of making comparative and superlative degree is with the adjectives which are ending with y. See, all these are ending with y. Now what we do is we'll remove this y and we add I in place of y, and then we add er and est in order to make comparative and superlative degrees. Like take this example, easy. Easy is ending with y. we remove this y and we add I. And after adding I, we add ER and EST, so that it will become easier and easiest. These are the comparative and superlative degrees of easy. See, fine, like this you have to do. Now in part 4, there is another way, is in order to make the comparative and superlative degrees. That is, what we do is we double the last alphabet of the positive degree. Fine, like this big is ending with the letter G. So we'll double this G, so that it will become BI double G. And after doubling it, we'll add ER and EST, so that it will become the comparative and superlative degrees of big, like bigger and biggest. In this way, we can make comparative and superlative degrees. Now, another way is by adding more and most before the positive degree. See, these are the positive degrees given. And if we want to make comparative and superlative degrees, what we do, in order to make comparative degree, we add more before the positive degree. And if we have to make the superlative degree, then we add most before the positive degree, so that it will become more beautiful, most beautiful. And these are the 2 degrees of the positive, beautiful, comparative and superlative. Now this is very important. The last point means some adjectives are irregular. In such cases, we don't add ER or EST in order to make comparative and superlative degree, but instead of adding ER and EST, we have to make a new word in order to make comparative and superlative degree. So you have to learn all these adjectives and their degrees too. Like bad is bad, worse, worst. All these 3 words are different. So we have to learn these: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degrees. Good, better, best. Children usually write good, gooder, goodest. So good, gooder, goodest is totally wrong. You have to learn it as good, better, best. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. So it is better for your understanding that you learn these as it is. Fine. Because there is no other way of making comparative and superlative degrees in for such adjectives. Now come to exercise D. Exercise D is fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjectives in the brackets. See, the positive degree of adjectives are given to us, and we have to fill in the blanks with the correct degree, whether positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree. Now take this. Ayush is dash than Abhay. Here we are comparing Ayush with Abhay. That's why we are using this than. So we use the comparative degree, and comparative degree of strong is stronger. So Ayush is stronger than Abhay. Take another one. The dog is the dash animal, and we have been given with faithful as adjective. So the is written here. So what we do is we use the superlative degree of faithful, that is most faithful, so that it will become the dog is the most faithful animal. Like this you have to complete this exercise. And there are 30 sentences in this exercise. So do it very carefully by keeping in mind the adjectives, positive degree of adjectives given to us. Fine. And fill them out with the help of the filled exercises that I am providing you. Now come to exercise E. In exercise E also, positive degree of adjectives are given to us, and we have to write down their comparative and superlative degrees. So beta, you can do this exercise also, like attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Blue, bluer, bluest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Like this you have to complete this exercise. And on the next page also this exercise is there. You can complete it from the filled exercise which I am providing you. Like see, greedy, greedier, greediest. Don't write the wrong spellings, because in exams your marks will be deducted in case of wrong spellings. So write down the correct ones, like smooth, smoother, smoothest, wide, wider, widest, white, whiter, whitest. You have to remember in which case you have to add ER, or in which case you have to add EST, and which case you have to add more, most, like this. Okay, fine. Now I hope this chapter is clear to you. Now beta, please complete this chapter in your grammar books and fill it with pencil only, so that you can change if you have done any mistake also. Fine. I'm not going to send you the exercises again. So fill out all the exercises with the help of this video. Thank you so much.